Good morning, my dear student. Most welcome to the online classes of SBPS. In this video for 9th and 10th class, I am teaching you to write article. The question on the board, you recently saw a film. आपने हाल ही में फिल्म देखी थी based on some scientific experiment to rather thing and found it cinema और पाया सिनेमा to be a source of both to be a source वो दोनों का entertainment and education भी था. You got an opportunity. आपको मौका मिला to write about the same लिखने के इन द आर्टिकल और योर स्कूल मैगजीन. राइट डाउन योर थॉट्स इन 150 वर्ड्स यू आर आशा. ठीक है, तो आपके लिए टू राइट एन आर्टिकल वी नीड ए हेडिंग. हेडिंग बन जाएगी आपकी सिनेमा, एंटरटेनमेंट एंड एजुकेशन. आप डाल दो सिनेमा, एंटरटेनमेंट and education. इसके बाद बाई लाइन लिखो. इसके बाद बाई आशा. आफ्टर दैट मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ डियर स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन को आप सुन के लिखोगे इस पेज. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ग्रेट प्लेजर दैट सिनेमा प्रोवाइड्स एज अ मीन्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट, इट इज इन मैनी वे educating one, and although its context and mass appeal, from time to time historical movies are made, and these movies are of great assistance to the teachers and student fraternity studying history as their course subject. A couple of hours spent in the company of historical figures traces in the period customs so and teach more than what we read in the books in school. Films on space technology arouses interest को उठाती हैं in children to know more about the universe. Star Trek was one such series that has left an indelible prints on the mind of the viewers. The movies also chronicle the important landmarks in the development of a country and help the student as well as general citizens to understand how they encoded. Pokhran was one such film which helped the citizens to know about the reality behind the nuclear test conducted in the country. We should be thankful to the producers and directors who made such films and also made cinema a source of information for children. Dear student, I have told you all the questions. You will write the article by listening my speech and with the help of your Nadia. थोड़े अपने विचार लीजिए और कुछ पॉइंट मेरे स्पीच से लीजिए. आपको पूरा आंसर लिखना है. That's all for this video. Thank you.